So here's what it ended up looking like. You can still see the edges a little bit, especially here next to these streaks, but I feel like I'm getting into the gel coat on these streaks, doing more harm than I am good by trying to make this look nice. I did feather the front out real well. You can tell that the new sheets are really one with the old, really bonded to it really well. So I'm pretty happy with it, and it feels super solid where the hole was. You know, sounds right, it feels right. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just going to coat it one more time with epoxy, and then it's all done.